Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Forex Clubhouse. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to trade along with the trend. Have you ever heard of the statement that says, the trend is your friend until it bends? Well, if you haven't heard of that statement yet, then let me assure you that you do not have to worry about that at all. As in this video, I'm going to show you how to get sniper entries on both uptrend and downtrend markets. Furthermore, using simplest of all price action techniques. It is only then that afterwards you will see the truth behind the statement that says the trend is your friend until it bends. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a pleasure that you are still with me in this video. So the trade is on a downtrend, and the simplest way to know that is by just drawing up your arrow just like this. And by seeing that the arrow is pointing to the downside, I take a note that this market right now is on a downtrend. So what do we normally do on a downtrend? Are we supposed to look for buys on a downtrend, whereas the market is still pushing to the downside? Well, the answer to that question is a complete big no. But please allow me to repeat first. But the answer can be yes if and only if there is a reversal pattern at the bottom of the trend. And such patterns can be the double bottoms, can be descending channels, can be bullish engulfing patterns, can be the doji candlesticks, and many more of that sort. So for my case right now, by looking at the charts, I see no any kind of a varied reversal signal yet. And that just simply means that I'm to look for sell entries, as this current downtrend, it is still nowhere near to its endpoint. Hence afterwards comes a question like, okay, I know that I'm supposed to look for sell entries, but how can I know that it is this exact time that it is perfect for me to enter into this market? Well, let me tell you this one thing, my friends. The answer to that question that most of you guys be asking, it is very simple, and the answer goes simply like, we know that a downtrend always moves making a series of lower lows and lower highs, always. And the good part is that the market always tends to retest to the previous lower low, or just simply call it a broken level before proceeding with its initial direction. Having said that to you, ladies and gentlemen, then let me mark the previous broken low high as follows. Then afterwards, I'm going to mark the first area as where the first stop loss of those with small accounts it is supposed to be. Whoa, hold on. Yeah, hold on. I'm sensing some kind of discriminations right here. Well, let me just say this. The main aim is to protect our capital while waiting for another trading opportunities to present themselves to us in the market, in case the market decides to not respect to the broken level. And this second blue horizontal line that you are seeing on the screen right now is our second stop loss for the swing and day traders who don't have much time to stay glued on the screen for many hours. Now, can anyone in the comment section answer this question for me, please? What is the main reason for the placement of the stop loss exactly to where it is right now on the screen? What is the main reason? Please take this time and think for just a little bit about that question. Well, to save up some time, let me just answer that for you. The main reason for pressing a stop loss at that area is that if the stop loss is hit at that particular area, then it will just simply mean that the trend is broken, or has changed in simpler terms. So in simple words, let me put it this way. A downtrend is said to have ended if the previous low high has been broken. Now this is a very important statement, and please allow me to repeat it for just one more time. A downtrend is said to have ended if the previous low high has been broken. And it is why we have placed our second stop loss exactly at that area. Now, having observed all of the factors above, I just go and put sell limit orders, since today will be a very busy day for me and probably won't be on the charts for some time. So I think the best way for me to go on this trade, it is to press a sell limit order. And take note, this should only be done if you have already calculated your risk and you are comfortable with losing the said risk if the trade decides to go against you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please take note that I do offer a one-to-one mentorship in regarding to this Forex industry. Now, if you're one of those that have known Forex for some time, maybe a year or 2 or 6 months, and you are still not profitable, then believe me, this mentorship program will save you a lot. For any further details, please feel free to send me a message on my WhatsApp number, and the number can be found in the description below. Please just feel free to reach me out and I'll give you any further details that you need to know, and maybe we can discuss a few things on where you went wrong on Forex market and we can correct each other. Now please take these few minutes and observe how well this trade will play out. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this video from the very start to the end. You are truly hungry for success, and that it is so good. You just need to trust the process and you will get there. Believe me, you will get there. Just trust the process. So ladies and gentlemen, take this time to hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell icon on to be the first to view any of my future uploads. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.